If you're experiencing the login failure error in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you disable the error and get back to your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media pages to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary login issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your game library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then navigate to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and repair them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these updates often fix bugs and login issues. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with game connections and cause login failures. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and enjoy playing Baldur's Gate 3 without interruptions. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.